Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from E-Trade security notifications and account settings, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from E-Trade security notifications and account settings, start by logging into your E-Trade account. Navigate to the account settings section. Look for the notifications tab within the settings menu. Click on the notifications tab to access your preferences. Here, you will see a list of security notifications currently enabled. Identify the notifications you wish to withdraw from. Uncheck the boxes next to the notifications you no longer want to receive. Once you have made your selections, scroll down to find the Save button. Click the Save button to apply your changes. You may also want to update your communication preferences. To do this, return to the main account settings menu. Find the Communication Preferences option. Here, you can adjust your email, SMS, or mobile app notifications. Review all your preferences to ensure they reflect your current choices. After making any additional changes, remember to click Save again. Your updated preferences should now be applied to your account. Make sure to log out of your account when you are finished. This will ensure the security of your account information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.